Hey all! In our previous video, we have seen how to install Python in Mac operating system. In this video, let's explore how we can do the same thing in Windows operating system. Let's dive into this. Alright, let's begin the installation. First, let's open our browser, whatever the browser may be, Chrome or Firefox, whatever you want. Open python.org. Now in Google search for Python. It will directly redirect to download page. So here we can see the latest version is 3.13.5 and go to the installer section and select here I'm using Windows, so I'm selecting 64-bit Windows. So based on our system, select the corresponding images. So now the installation got downloaded. Now let's start an installation. So here we can see we need to select admin privileges and add environment path and start installation. So we have selected environment path because we should be able to run Python anywhere in our system. So that's why I have selected that option. Alright, this installation will take some time. Alright, the installation got completed. What we can do is we need to verify if our installation is successful or not. For that one, we need to go through command prompt and in command prompt type python -- version. We should be able to see 3.13.5. See here, you can see the Python version. So it means our installation is successful. Now let's write sample hello world program. So for that one, let's open idle. In the idle, let's just print hello world. Here just type print then hello world string. I'm going to explain these things in Python actual tutorial. Okay, so now you can see hello world is coming. It means that our installation is successful. We are able to run our first program. So also I'm trying to do some arithmetic operation. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 6, and I'm trying to summate it to see the 11. So okay, unfortunately I wrote the wrong one, meaning I wrote uppercase. Yeah, I think you all set. So the installation is successful. See you all in the next video.